Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. Upcoming blockbuster. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is one of the most affordable anticipated upcoming devices in the medium price range. As per its speculations, it is said to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. The resolution of the display is 1080 by 2400 pixels along with a pixel density of 405p, ensuring a full HD display. The Galaxy A51 5G features a quad-camera setup on the rear end along with a single front camera. The rear camera setup comprises of a 48MP primary camera backed by a 12MP and two similar 5MP lenses. The front camera setup is expected to carry a 32MP resolution with an aperture of f/2.2, featuring bokeh shots and vibrant images. Performance and battery. The Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is said to feature the device Makara Senta AS Exynos 9 980 sitting over Cortex A77 and Cortex A55, octa-core processor clocking at 2.2 GHz speed. The hardware configuration is also said to carry 6 GB RAM backed by Mali G76MP5 GPU to ensure a seamless gaming experience to its users. Powering the device will be a 4000 mAh Li-ion battery with a quick charging facility present in it. Storage and connectivity. The storage space of the device is at 128 GB which can be further expandable up to 512 GB. The Samsung A51 5G gets an Android V10 operating system. The connectivity: it can support a couple of GSM Nano SIM cards. As per the connectivity, this device can catch 2G to 4G networks of Indian SIM cards. Besides that, it features Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n/n, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, a GPS with GLONASS. Samsung Galaxy A51 5G price. Samsung Galaxy A51 5G price is expected to be $503.96, 37,999 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A51 5G expected to be launched on August 10, 2020. This is 6 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, which is expected to available in Prism Cube Black, Prism Cube White, Prism Cube Pink color. Buy for quad camera setup, powerful RAM, ample storage space. Beware of bit underpowered battery. Verdict. The Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is a mid-range smartphone offering by South Korean company. The upcoming device might get an excellent screen quality with a high pixel density along with good cameras. The handset seems to be designed for the overall multimedia consumption, making it one of the real contenders to be used in anyone's daily driver. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.